The fully funded Turkish government scholarship, also known as Turkiye Burslari, is back, and in this video, I've got all the essential details to kickstart your application, along with valuable tips to boost your chances of securing this incredible scholarship. I will discuss the scholarship and its benefits, the eligibility criteria, university and program requirements, and the documents required. I will also tell you how to check the international exam requirements such as the SAT, GRE, English proficiency, and all other things you need to take note of while preparing your application. Before I get started, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification to get updates on latest scholarship opportunities worldwide. The Turkiye Burslari Scholarship is one of the most prestigious scholarships in the world. The scholarship gives international students a unique and exciting opportunity to study in any of the most renowned universities in Turkey. Whether you're interested in studying engineering, natural sciences, social sciences, or humanities, the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship is one to consider. The scholarship covers tuition fees, accommodation, university and department placements, monthly stipend which is around 3,500 Turkish lira for undergraduates, 5,000 Turkish lira for masters, and 6,500 Turkish lira for PhD students per month. The scholarship also covers your health insurance, travel expenses, Turkish language preparatory course, and gives you opportunities to the Turkiye Alumni Network. There are 4 scholarship categories available for the Turkiye Burslari full-time scholarship program: the undergraduates, graduates, arts, and the merit scholarship. The undergraduate scholarship program provides education in numerous departments for high school graduates planning to pursue their bachelor's degree program. The graduate scholarship program offers various opportunities at the master's and PhD levels. This includes opportunities in the fields of social sciences, humanities, natural sciences, and engineering at prestigious universities in Turkey. Almost all fields of study are offered at the graduate level except the health departments. The Art Scholarship Program provides scholarships to international students at the undergraduate, master's, and PhD levels in the fields of musical sciences, performing arts, and fine arts at Ankara Music and Fine Arts University. The Merit Scholarship Program rewards outstanding academic achievement, international proficiency, and dedication to research. Top scorers on national exams in their home countries, published researchers, and passionate Turkiye scholars with high GPAs are all considered for this exciting opportunity. Turkiye Scholarship students who participate in the Merit Scholarship Program will be rewarded with a monthly stipend 2 times higher than the regular payment. Also, there is the Short-Time Scholarship Program, which includes the Success Scholarship Program, Research Scholarship, and the CADIP Program. More information about the benefits of these scholarship programs can be found on the website. Lastly, the Turkish Government Joint Scholarship Program. Joint scholarship programs are scholarship programs offered to certain disadvantaged groups within the framework of special themes in cooperation with international organizations and other public institutions. These scholarships includes the Albert Einstein German Academic Refugee Initiative Scholarship Program, the Spark Scholarship Program, the Islamic Development Bank Scholarship Program, the Turkiye Nama Foundation Joint Scholarship Program, and many other joint programs. The Turkiye Burslari Scholarship is open for applicants from all over the world who are graduates or will graduate at the end of the current academic year, which is before August 2024. The application is also open for applicants who plan to pursue research studies or academics in Turkey. Undergraduate applicants must obtain at least 70% from high school, while graduates are required to have a minimum average of 75% or its equivalent from their previous or current university studies. Candidates applying for medicine, dentistry, or pharmacy must have a minimum of 90% from the last institution attended. The age limit for undergraduate applicants is 21 years, 30 years for masters, 35 for PhD applicants, and 50 years for research applicants. There are a series of documents required for this scholarship. In this section, I am going to discuss in detail the documents required for the undergraduate, graduate, PhD, and research scholarships. 1. A valid identity document, ID card or passport. Applicants are required to provide a copy of their national ID card or their international passport. If you don't have one, make sure to get it before the deadline so that you can attach it to your online application. 2. A passport photograph. The online application requires you to upload a passport photograph. Make sure the photograph is taken by a professional, and it should not be more than a year ago. 3. National exams. If there are any national exams in your country, maybe a high school leaving exam such as the WAEC or GCE for countries in West African countries, NICO for Nigerian students, HSC for students from Bangladesh, or whatever applies to your country. If you have taken any of these national exams, you should add it to your application. However, it is not a mandatory document, and you may choose not to add it to your application. Undergraduate applicants who possess international qualifications such as SAT or GCSE instead of national exam scores will need to provide the minimum required qualifications needed for completing secondary school according to these international exams. 4. Diploma or temporary graduation certificate. A diploma is a document issued after you complete a level of education. For undergraduate applicants, you will be required to upload your high school graduation certificate. Master's degree applicants are required to upload a copy of their bachelor's degree certificate, and doctoral applicants are required to upload a copy of their master's degree certificate. If you don't have your diploma, you will need to contact your high school or institution to get it. 5. Transcript of record. A transcript is a document showing the courses and grades you took at your previous education level. Undergraduate applicants are required to submit the transcript from their last 3 years of high school. Graduate applicants are required to upload their university transcripts. If you don't have your transcript, you can get it by contacting the responsible authority in your school or college. If you attended more than one high school or university, make sure to combine all the transcripts into one document by using PDF tools online. 6. International exams. International exams such as SAT, ACT, GRE, and English proficiency requirements such as IELTS and TOEFL are required only if your choice institutions require one. If not, you don't need to worry about it. Please note that English proficiency requirements are usually required only if your study language is English. If you choose to study in Turkish, you will most likely not be needing an English proficiency test. To check universities that require these exams, go to turkiyeburslari.gov.tr/scholarship search. For undergraduate applicants, select bachelor's degree, your study language, and enter the field you are applying to. For example, engineering. Then click Program Search. It will display the list of universities offering the course. For example, computer engineering at Abdul Gül University requires a SAT score of 11.0 and a TOEFL IBT score of 75. Computer engineering at Ankara Science University does not require an SAT test. Rather, you will need to meet the English proficiency requirements, which is a minimum of 6 in the IELTS or 70 in the TOEFL IBT. For graduate applicants, select your study level, study program, and enter the field you are applying to. For example, engineering, then click Program Search. Select the university and course of your choice to view the exam requirements. If your desired study program requires an English proficiency exam, but you don't have one, you can do one of the following. 1. Request for an English proficiency waiver from your previous institution and upload it. 2. If you have taken an SAT or similar international exam that has an English test with high scores, you can try it. Lastly, you can choose to study in Turkish instead. Since the scholarship covers a 1-year Turkish language preparatory course, you will have the opportunity to learn the Turkish language for a year before your studies begin. 7. A proposal for a research topic and a written example of the research you have carried out is required for PhD applicants only. The application period for the Türkiye Burslari scholarship is between January 10th and February 20th, 2023. Applicant evaluations, which include application review and testing, take place between March and May. Selected applicants are invited for a physical interview between June and July, and results are announced in early August. Application for the Türkiye Burslari is in just 5 easy steps. 1. Creation of personal account on the Türkiye Scholarship application system. 2. Upload of all the required documents, including your extracurricular activities and achievements. 3. Listing of dream universities and program preferences. Note that applicants can apply for up to 12 different programs or universities. 4. Writing an original letter of intent that explains your preferences, expectations, and future goals. 5. Review of the application and submission. 1. Make sure you meet the minimum criteria before applying. Applicants who do not meet the minimum academic criteria will be rejected. 2. Research the university and program requirements. Make sure you meet the criteria of the university and program you are applying to. Research each university to know the best option for your course of study. 3. Prepare your application materials carefully. You need to create an online account on the official website of the scholarship program. Upload all the required documents, such as transcripts, certificates, identity documents, and others. 4. Apply early. The application deadline for the Türkiye Burslari scholarship is February 20th. However, it is advisable to apply as soon as possible as the online application may not respond quickly as the deadline approaches due to traffic. 5. Craft a compelling motivation letter. This is your chance to shine. Express your passion for your chosen field, highlight relevant experiences, and explain how studying in Turkey aligns with your future plans. Be clear, concise, and avoid irrelevant information. 6. Gather strong recommendation letters. Choose recommenders who know you well and can speak to your academic abilities, work ethic, and personal qualities. Offer them clear guidelines on what aspects of your candidacy to highlight. 7. Proofread. Ensure your application is free of grammatical errors and typos. Polished writing portrays professionalism and attention to detail. 8. Utilize online resources. The Türkiye Burslari website offers comprehensive information, application guides, and FAQs. Engage with online communities and forums for insights and support from other applicants. 9. Don't be afraid to reach out. If you have any questions or encounter technical difficulties, contact the Türkiye Burslari team directly. They are dedicated to assisting applicants throughout the process. You can also contact me. I will try to guide you as much as I can. 10. Stay positive and believe in yourself. The competition is fierce, so maintain a positive mindset and trust your qualifications. A confident and resilient attitude can make a difference. Remember, a successful application is a combination of academic excellence, well-articulated goals, and a genuine passion for learning and cultural exchange. By following these tips and putting in the effort, you can increase your chances of securing the valuable Türkiye Burslari scholarship and embarking on an enriching educational journey in Turkey. Good luck on your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.